other stars around. It just shines. It's a famous quote we've all heard and used. True to these words, we have a star among us today who shines and lets others shine. If I may, she is none other than a long-time friend and a well-wisher of our school, Mrs. Estella D'Souza. Groomed with a generous heart, a good neighbor at Donna Paula. Mrs. Estella is currently the bunch member of the Taligapan Shire. She is the proud owner of Atlas Fisheries Old Goa. She has her fingers in many pies and is an able and successful multitasker. When it comes to any school function, she is ever ready to navigate any job that needs execution. She is an effective member of the Mahila Mandal too. She assists in many programs for the welfare of the society, especially for the marginalized. Despite being a benefactor, she has extended her generous arms across two bridges to be the benefactor here at the Holy Redeemer School. Your generosity and daily care changes lives in many ways you may never fully know. Mrs. Estella, we welcome you to this outreach program. Now, this was a formal introduction, but I personally know her even before I joined this institution. I know her as a loving lady who always smiles, and not to forget, a lady with beautiful long hair. So let us welcome her. Let's put our hands together for a special welcome to our dear teacher, Mrs. Estella D'Souza. We welcome you here. I bring the light of knowledge. I bring the light of love. I bring the light of faith. I bring the light of joy. I bring the light of opportunity. I bring the light of compassion.
I bring the light of dreams.
I bring the light of confidence.
A single lamp can brighten a room, but many lamps can transform the darkness into hope. Today, these children come before us not as recipients of charity, but as bearers of light. Their dreams,
but the teacher said, yeah, it's a just pencil, but for you, it will create the future. It will create to write your dreams. And after a few years, that same boy becomes successful and he says, today I am successful because one of our teachers believed in me and gave me the pencil. The belief that which she had that made me today who I am.
And girls are equally correct. They got 1. The boys also got 1 point and the girls also got 1 point. Yes. So, we have learned through this activity that these two shapes, that is the square and a rectangle, belong to one category, that is a four-sided figure known as quadrilateral. Boys and girls, those who are here, I am asking, do you all know at least one or two properties of a square? One property. Anyone?
Square circle.
Also?
Square circle. Or the area square circle.
Simple one, simple. Yes,
Or the side circle.
absolutely correct. What is the first property of a square? Correct. All four sides of a square are equal. What is the second property? Simple one. Absolutely correct. Give clap to the boys here. So the second property of a square is that all four angles measure 90. Each of the angle measures 90 degrees. Next we move on to the rectangle. Any one property of a rectangle? Anyone? Yes.
Two sides are parallel.
Very good. Two sides are equal and parallel. Can you name those sides? What are they called?
Length and breadth.
Absolutely correct. They are called length and the breadth. Just for you to know, the longest side is called the length and the shortest sides are called? Very good. What is the next property? Any one? Simple one. About the angles. Yes.
All the angles from 90 degrees.
Absolutely correct. As you can see here, there are four angles which are there in the rectangle and each angle measures 90 degrees. So today you have learned about two quadrilaterals, that is a square and a rectangle. Thank you very much. And thank you boys and girls for being so sporty. Thank you.
In our way, we call it pre-integrated behavior. So that once the thing has been fixed, it needs to go with it. Simple vanilla sponge cake. So we need 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of oil, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. Okay? We begin by sieving the maida.
So we will take 2 cups of maida. This is already measured for now. So it's 2 cups of maida. Which we are going to pass through a spoon.
change your essence also. Instead of vanilla, you can use strawberry, you can use lemon. If you like, you can add also a little color, maybe pink or green. Just mix it with hands so that it's nicely incorporated. The flour, you don't see the flour in it. Add the vanilla, the milk. You can change your essence also. Instead of vanilla, you can use strawberry, you can use lemon, and if you like, you can add also a little color, maybe pink or green. I'm going to pour it into the dish. You can crack the dish just to remove the air bubbles, and straight it goes into the oven.
Session will be ready. Learn this game and represent Goa. You will even represent the country.
My name is Gama and I am a teacher at Our Lady of the Rosary High School, Donna Paula. The Franciscan Missionaries of Mary, along with their school, Our Lady of the Rosary High School, has started this outreach program for the students of the Holy Redeemer School, Shirvole and Naveli. The main objective of this is that in their congregational chapter, they wanted to reach out to the marginalized and the children who are on the peripheries of society. So we have decided that we undertake this program for these children. Now the whole staff of the school is involved and we will be teaching them communication, that is basic English and Konkani communication. We are going to drill them with certain mathematical skills, scientific concepts. We are also teaching them some life skills like art and designing. Then we are having hydroponics or vegetable garden by which they'll be able to sustain themselves. We are also having we had a tailoring project for them in phase 1. Now we are having baking, theatre art. So we are trying to groom them in whatever features the children can find their slot in life. And this project is going to be undertaken by the staff after school hours. So in addition to what we have to teach in school and completing our work, this is an outreach program so that we as a staff together with our congregation will reach out to these unfortunate students. And we've all taken it willingly and as a challenge to see how much we can reach beyond school hours. Thank you.
I am Sister Bridget D'Souza, of Superior of Our Lady of Rosary Convent and Manager of Our Lady of Rosary High School. We are FMM, Franciscan Missionaries of Mary, going to celebrate 150 years of our institute. And we have asked to launch into the new poor in our societies. And we have chosen our project to work with Holy Redeemer children, those who are migrant and those who need lot of backup. Our students, those who have much, and we want to share whatever we have, our talents, resources and time to these people. And we together with our staff, parents and like-minded people, we have started this program to work for these deserving students.
I'm Sister Antoinette, HM of Our Lady of the Rosary High School, Dona Paula. I belong to the Franciscan Missionaries of Mary, and I am very proud to announce that our congregation is going to celebrate 150 years of our existence. This milestone has given us the opportunity to celebrate with gratitude and joy. As one of the objective of our celebration is to reach out to the poor and the marginalized. I'm very happy and proud to associate ourselves, our school, our community and the entire staff with Holy Redeemer School, Shirvode, Navili. To celebrate this milestone, we have launched last year the tailoring project as phase 1, which was completed successfully, teaching basic skills of tailoring to 10 girls and given certificates at the end of the course. This year, we have launched the second phase with the theme, Sharing Knowledge, Building Hope. And we are going to accomplish this project through academics and teaching them certain skills like sports, cooking, art and craft and gardening skills, along with academics in math, Konkani and spoken English. Grateful to God for all the blessings and for this opportunity to reach out to these children who are so talented. This partnership program is going to help not only these children, also my entire staff and our children who are going to be involved in it, to exchange our knowledge, to build team spirit and to work in partnership, helping them to tap their talents and gifts and making them better citizens of tomorrow. Thank you.